fix your ear.
This is gonna make a great intro. You know I'm recording, right?
Yeah.
I'm coming.
Oh gosh, she has sharp teeth. They're not that sharp.
Hi, Simon. Blue Chihuahua. Anthony. See what
Hi.
happens.
David, yo.
So what's wrong? Science project over there. Cat right there.
Cat. Cat? Did you say cat?
Anthony right here with Diamond. Hashtag Chico chillin'. Chillin' with Chico. Hi, buddies. Hi, buddies.
Hey, David.
Just happy. Weird stuff is happening. Chillin' with Chico. Want to do a house tour? Nanny, want to do a house tour? Nanny! Let's go! Take it down! She escaped! She escaped.
Where is she?
In that blind. Shout out to Lexi. We're doing a volcano and you got some lava rock. Pictures, yay. My name. Dog pad.
You had to get that puppy.
Jeez. Hang on, Daddy. Just wait. Let me just get her. Let's go.
Oh, gotcha.
So right back here.
Gotcha, Diamond.
Where'd you get her? And you want to do a quick little house tour?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, house tour with Diamond. Aw, Chico woke up. Go back chillin'. Go back to chillin'.
I think he wants to be awake.
Here, go chillin'.
Okay. I'm gonna hold
Wait, no.
I'm gonna hold Chico.
Massage his head. Go to sleep, Chico.
Here, hold Diamond. I wanna hold Chico.
No. Chico. Give them. Okay, no more house tour with Diamond. Let Chico relax. Just woke up. Let him relax.
Awesome.
See? Let him relax.
Okay.
Now, come on, house tour. Celine's room. Bathroom. Nanny, come here. Come here. We'll show them that room pretty soon. Now, come here. Bathroom. We have a weird bathroom. There's toilet paper right there. I have jacked up hair because I woke up. What about you? Let's go. Our secret meeting room. Right here. Hang on.
Are you gonna post that?
Attic. So room we can't go in right now. So no room we can't go in. And there's the filming room. What do you say about the filming room? Should we go in there? No. Okay, let's go back.
Damn, Sam.
Chico's just chilling.
Yay.
We're just eating some Tic Tac.
Ew.